Hey, it's Mark with Circuit Board Medics, and today we're removing and reinstalling the instrument cluster on a 2011 to 2014 Ford F-150. Let's get straight into the tools that you'll need for this process. To remove your cluster, you will need a 7mm socket, a ratchet, a small extension, and a plastic trim removal tool. A non-essential but recommended tool is a telescoping magnet. First up on the removal process, we're going to adjust the steering column. Lower the steering wheel to its lowest point and pull it toward you as far as it goes to give yourself maximum clearance. Next, we're going to remove the top bezel screws. Locate the two 7mm screws at the top of the black trim bezel and remove them both. Then, we'll pop the bezel. Use your trim tool to pry the corner of the bezel away from the dash. Work your way around until the retention clips release, and then set the bezel aside. Now we unscrew the cluster. You will see four 7mm screws holding the cluster in place, two on top and two at the bottom. You can use your extension here for the bottom screws to reach back into the housing. Finally, we disconnect the plug. Pull the cluster forward and locate the single electronic connector on the back. Release the locking tab and pull the harness out. Now you can freely remove the cluster. If you're removing your cluster, the odds are it's gone bad. So before the reinstall, let's talk your options. You can pay a premium for a new part with the same design flaws. You can go cheaper and take a risk on a used part, or you can choose a permanent fix. At Circuit Board Medics, we remanufacture your original module with upgraded components, giving you better than new performance for a fraction of the cost. Now let's get into the reinstall. First, you need to reconnect the harness. Plug the electrical connector into the back of the new or repaired cluster until you hear a click. Next, we will align and seat the cluster. Line up the two plastic alignment pins at the bottom of the cluster with the corresponding holes in the dash. Then secure the screws. Thread the four 7mm screws back into the cluster. Now replace the bezel. Snap the trim bezel back into place by applying firm pressure to the clip points. Finally, fasten the bezel. Reinstall the two 7mm screws at the top of the bezel. For a quick post-install check, you can turn the key to verify your gauges sweep and the LCD powers up. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more professional repair guides from Circuit Board Medics.